Today we will discuss props and make our component reusable. Props are the optional arguments that help components to be dynamic. Props are passed to components via HTML attributes. Let me just render the hello component thrice in my development server. We pass data from one component to another using props as parameter. After saving this file, we will see the same component being rendered thrice. Let us modify the code and use the same component in different ways. We will create a prop variable named name and we will assign it to different names. The first one will be Tony. In the second one, we will name it Stark, and in the third one, we will name it Banner. The aim is to render three names saying hello Tony, hello Stark and hello Banner using the same component hello.js. Props make it easier to import a component's logic without rewriting the code. Now, if we go ahead and save the file, we do not see any changes because we need to make some changes in hello.js too. We have to pass props as an argument in our function, like we pass an argument into any regular JavaScript function. Next, for the clarity of my code, I am going to wrap the whole content inside curly braces. The hello component will be reusable across different components and describe different people and their position. Reusing the component's logic dynamically means the data will not be static. So, for every other component, using the logic, its data can be modified to fit our requirements. First, we will do a console.log props so that we can see what output do we get. We will add the h1 inside our return statement. After saving the file, we get the output that is not what we were expecting. So let us go ahead to the console and see that we have got three objects. One is named Tony, the other is named Stark, and the third one is named Banner. So to correct that, we need to use our prop variable name inside our component. So we are going to render it. So we will write props dot name, and then when we save, we will get the exact output that we are expecting. It is important to write props.name inside a parenthesis. So our output is exactly what we are expecting, that is hello Tony, hello Stark and hello Banner. If we remove the curly braces, then the JSX expression will not be evaluated and thus we will not get the expected output. So remember, it is important to place the brackets. Let us add another variable named position and give it the value Iron Man, Thor and Hulk. And then we will go to hello.js component and add the second variable saying also called, and inside curly braces we will write props.position, and now we will get the expected output. To render an unknown content, we can use the children property of props. So for that, we will create a closing and an opening tag for our component and then write down, hi, this is the children property inside a p tag. It can be any HTML tag. In the hello.js component, let us add our props.children JSX expression, and then we can see we did not get the expected output because we were doing something wrong there. There is a fair chance that you will get errors, so read them and try to solve them. So now we are done with our error. We get the expected output. Now let us use props in our class component, that is world.js. Now we will render the world component twice or thrice and then use props in the world.js component. Let us go ahead and add another variable named identity and give it the value hidden and secret for our world components. In the class component, we are going to use this keyword for the use of props. This keyword makes it easier to refer to an object's value in the object method. Now, in the world.js, let us edit it and write down, hi, my name is, and to use the props, we will be using the this keyword. This keyword holds reference to current execution in context in JavaScript. So inside curly braces, we will write this dot props dot identity, and that is it. Let us hit Ctrl S and then we get the expected output of hi, my name is hidden and hi, my name is secret. So I hope that now you are pretty much clear with the concept of props. Today's video was all based on using props without destructuring. I hope you are familiar with the concept of destructuring. If not, you can read about it. Props are immutable, that is, their values cannot be changed. I hope that now you are clear with props. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.